a year.
Avoid that. Over a year since I made a video, which was buying the R32 GTST N1 style side skirts and rear pods. I still don't have them on. Been super lazy over the last year. Well, not lazy, just been, I want to say I've had no time, but I just haven't been making time to make videos. I've been working full time, which sucks. Everyone has to do it. I've been saving for a house, which me and my girlfriend actually bought one recently. We're super stoked on it, which gives me my own garage space to work on the car, make a few videos and whatnot. Since you last saw the car, nothing has changed. But that's a lie. A few things have changed. I put new wiper blades on, and I also put a set of Autostrada Medinas on. I don't know if you remember, I had Origin DNA 02s on the car before. Now with the Autostrada Medinas, which are one of my favourite wheels. The car's looking great. I need to get the side skirts on as well, just to finish off the look, and the rear pods. But this year, 2021, hopefully it'll be a good one. Everyone's bummed about 2020, which is understandable, going through COVID and the pandemic and whatnot. But yeah, this year I'll be making time to make videos, which is good. Like I said, working full time. I felt like I had no time to do it. I was always working from like 6 p.m. till about 4 a.m. in the morning, waking up and just wanting to laze around and go to work the next night, not really doing anything. Plans for the channel, I am not only going to be doing car videos, I'm going to be posting a few gaming videos and maybe just like a few bushwalks here and there as well, and just like the odd occasional vlog. We'll see how it all goes. It's going to take a while to get back into it. I already feel a little bit nervous talking to the camera, but I'm super stoked to be getting back into it and just getting back into the community. Like everyone that used to comment on my videos and watch them, I used to enjoy all that, talking to you guys. One YouTuber I especially miss is Nelkel JDM Vlogs. He gave me a shout out a long time ago, but he's got an R32 GTR and a couple of RX-7s, and I think maybe one or two other cars. I'm pretty sure it's an MR2, and I'm just keen to reconnect with everyone and get the community going again. Yeah, like I said, stoked to do it. Stoked to be making time to make videos, and we'll see how it all turns out. I hope you guys are keen to come along the ride again and just have some fun, really. I'm not too worried about making super good videos. Oh, I'm going to try to, obviously. Haven't driven this car in a while. And yeah, it's going to be fun. That's all I can say, really. Just going for a loop up my usual mountain at the moment, back down. It's currently about 30 32, 34 degrees Celsius, so it's super hot. I'm not going to be smashing the car about with how hot it is, and I'll stop halfway down the mountain, or I'll go park up somewhere, give you guys a little walk around the car and whatnot, how it's looking right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I've reached the top. I'll do a little I love this car. It's good fun. Anyway, I'll switch the camera over to the front view, and yeah, we'll go down the mountain. Anastasia. I just realised my GoPro's only got like 15% battery, but this is the car now. So as you can see, I got the Autostrada Medinas, which are sick wheels. 17 by 8.5, 17 by 9.5, and they're, I forget the what positive specs they are, but they're more of a Toyota spec, which I don't know. Bit weird on an Nissan. I definitely need to add some more front camber. As you can see, nothing really going on, but nothing's changed. So pretty much kicking off where I left off, and yeah, hope you guys are keen to come along again. I'll keep going down the mountain and pretty much end the video just because the battery in the GoPro. But yeah, as I said, super stoked to be getting back into it, and I hope you guys enjoy what I put out. I'll be going to a couple of car shows and whatnot, and turn this off. I'll be going to a couple of car shows and whatnot, which will be fun, and got a few Skyline buddies as well, hopefully show you their cars. And other than that, like I said, gaming and a couple of vlogs, going for a few bushwalks. There's one just there, won't go on it now. But yeah, I hope you guys get back into watching the videos and whatnot. If not, all good. I'll continue back down the mountain now and keep it pretty tame just because how hot it is and whatnot. And then I don't know, I'll show you next week, or whenever the work headlights turn up, I'll install those, show you guys doing that. Might show the service of the car as well. It depends how hard it is to film and whatnot. Just because being under the car and doing this and that, just filming gets in the way. And then that's pretty much it. Probably see you guys in the next one. Pretty fun drive up and down the mountain. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy the videos. I'm still figuring out GoPros and whatnot. I need to get the microphone so you guys can hear me a bit better. windows up, windows down, I have no idea. So we'll figure it all out along the way. I will be buying another GoPro just because it makes filming a little bit easier. Like have one here, have one up there facing out the car, maybe have one hanging back over the exhaust just to get a couple more noises going. And I do want to get an external microphone to sort of have near the engine bay just to get those real nice turbo flutters going for you. But yeah, hopefully this year get back into posting on the videos. Like I said, we'll be making a lot more time to post videos and whatnot, even with work. There may be a delay, a week or two between videos, but yeah, like I said, hopefully get some installs going, a couple of car shows, maybe a vlog or two like bushwalking and whatnot, and a bit of gaming as well. So if you guys are into that, stick around for it, and I'll see you in the next one.